Alright, now what we have here is the toilet. It comes down really not very far from there to here. It goes just underneath the floor joist, goes down there. Now watch this. See how that drops off real quick like that? Now here's what happens. When you drop that fast, the solids will stick, and the liquids will outrun the solids. And I'm trying to be, so you'll end up stacking up stuff in there if you're not careful, and it'll end up coating the bottom at the very least. You'll have to flush multiple times. And I'm knocking on there to see if it's solid, and it doesn't seem to have liquid, but there seems to be something going on in that. This doesn't seem to be. It could be in this elbow. I don't know. I sold my auger because there was my competition. Even now, it's that they're so good at what they do that I can't really compete with it. But anyway, you want to be careful to not run your sewer line so steep. You don't want that, because then the liquids will outrun the solids. The solids will be hung up. And they'll take more liquid from the next, and then more solids will catch onto that, and it starts getting solid. So keep that in mind. And here's a little bit of our mess. We had everything in one area. I'd like it to look a little prettier, but we've got everything hooked up, and we used, I would lay you odds, 75 half-inch crimp rings, quite a lot. And we did not have one leak in any of the stuff that we did. Not saying we're perfect, but this is something that you guys could do yourself. Believe it or not, you can do it. Hopefully I've helped you guys and make it where you can, as opposed to thinking you couldn't. So, because you're an American, not American. See you later.